Volatility looms. Can Nifty rebound amid global and domestic pressures? GIFT Nifty is rising in early action. The big question, will the positive action put Nifty's weakness behind it? Well, in yesterday's trade, HMPV virus was seen infecting Dalal Street. The above-average volatility was also amidst 7 negative catalysts. 1. This January month, FIIs have net sold Indian equities worth 7,078.30 crore rupees. 2. The Indian rupee hits new record low at 85.85 against US dollar. 3. Spike in WTI oil prices towards $74.75 a barrel, its 3-month high. 4. The threat of elevated US Treasury yields at 4.63%. 5. Bank of Japan, BOJ's, Ueda vows to keep hiking rates with focus on risks. 6. The uncertainty tied to the Federal Reserve's rate path. 7. The street suspects President-elect Donald Trump's policies to be inflationary. Long story short, with intermonth perspective, Nifty's direction will depend on what Trump will do after he takes office as US President on 20th January. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 2575 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 5750 crores. Sentiments are likely to waver in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating weakening bullish momentum on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 15.58 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.18 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.69. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is quite likely. Nifty, CMP 23616. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,263 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,819 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23450 and 23800. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 49922. Bank Nifty's biggest support now seen only at 49,201 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,900 mark closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,500 and 50,500. Bias for the day is negative. This Tuesday morning, the benchmark Nifty also benefits from an overnight US dollar weakness to 108.30 levels. But that said, upside on Nifty is likely to be capped as the benchmark 10-year US Treasury bond yield still holds above 4.64%. Buzzing stocks. 1. The Nifty Bank Index cracked minus 2.09% in yesterday's trade amidst weak business updates from HDFC Bank and Union Bank of India. HDFC Bank plunged 2.21% after its LDR, loan to deposit, ratio dropped below 100% for the first time post the HDFC merger. The fall in LDR was on account of slower loan growth and the securitization of a sizable portion of loans in the 2024-25 FY25. Technically, HDF Bank's 200 DMA is placed at 1643 levels. Amongst PSU banks, Union Bank of India dropped 7.5% on reporting weak Q3 performance update. Union Bank of India announced a 2.04% decline in QoQ total deposits, global, to 12,16,562 crore rupees as compared to 12,41,947 crore rupees in the September quarter. The pessimism rubbed off on Punjab National Bank, minus 4.38%, and Bank of Baroda, minus 5.66%. 2. Meanwhile, Nykaa flared up plus 2.2% on reporting a healthy December quarter, Q3 FY25, business update.